A very good morning, students. Today we'll continue lecture number 9 on vectors. So let us begin. We have started dot product, and last time we did one theorem, that is dot product is commutative. Now today we'll be doing further theorems. तो चलते हैं वेक्टर की तरफ. If A bar perpendicular B bar, then A bar dot B bar is 0. See the proof. Since A bar perpendicular B bar, therefore angle between A bar and B bar will be 90 degree. By definition of dot product, A bar dot B bar is what? If A bar perpendicular A bar dot B bar is 0, then prove that either A bar or B bar or both are 0 vectors or A bar perpendicular B bar. Since A bar dot B bar is 0, but A bar dot B bar is what? AB cos theta. Now product of three number is 0. So either A0 or B0 or both A and B are 0. So this implies either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or both A and B are 0. Or cos theta is 0. A is nothing but magnitude of A bar. Either mod A bar is 0 or mod B bar is 0 or both mod A bar and mod B bar are 0 or cos theta is 0 means theta is 90 degree. So this implies whenever magnitude of vector is 0, then vector is 0 vector. So A bar is what? 0 bar, or B bar is 0 bar, or both A bar and B bar, are 0 vectors, or if theta is 90 degree, so this implies A bar is perpendicular on B bar. Theorem 3 is prove that projection of B bar on A bar is equal to A bar dot B bar upon mod A bar. On A bar to mod A bar we have to divide. Theorem number 4 is prove that projection of B bar on A bar is equal to A bar dot B bar upon mod A bar. See the proof. This is vector A bar. This is vector B bar. Let theta is the angle between them. Draw BM perpendicular on A bar. Let A bar is equal to OA bar and B bar is equal to OB bar be two vectors. Let theta be angle between them. Draw BM perpendicular on A bar. Therefore, projection of B bar on A bar is equal to length OM. Write this as equation number 1. In triangle OMB, cos theta is what? Length OM upon length OB. Cos theta is what? Length OM upon mod B bar. Length OB is nothing but mod B bar. Cross multiply. So length OM is what? Mod B bar cos theta. So length OM is what? Mod A bar mod b bar cos theta divided by mod a bar, multiply divided by mod a bar. Now mod a bar mod b bar cos theta is what? A bar dot b bar upon mod a bar. This you write equation number 2. From one end to we get projection of B bar on A bar is equal to length OM, and length OM we got A dot B upon mod A bar. Similarly, we can prove projection of A bar on B bar, A bar dot B bar upon mod B bar. So we have to divide by magnitude of on vector. One note I'm giving you. A bar dot B bar is nothing but mod A bar into projection of B bar on A bar, which is also same as mod B bar into projection of A bar on B bar. Now theorem number 5 will be theorem 5. For three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar and C bar, prove that A bar dot B bar plus C bar, A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar. See the diagram. This is OA bar, that is A bar. This vector is OB bar, B bar, and this is OC bar, C bar. This point is what? B. This point is C. Draw BM perpendicular on A bar and draw CN perpendicular on A bar. And by triangle law of vector addition, OC bar is what? B bar plus C bar. See how to start? Let A bar is equal to OA bar, B bar, OB bar, and C bar, BC bar, be three vectors as shown in the figure. Join O and C. Draw BM and CN perpendiculars on A bar. BM and CN perpendiculars on A bar. In triangle OBC, by triangle law of vector addition, OC bar is what? OB bar plus BC bar. So OC bar is what? B bar plus C bar. Consider A bar dot B bar plus C bar. Just now I gave a note. In that note I have given dot product of two vectors what? Magnitude of the vector on which we are projecting into projection of the vector on other vector. So here you can see B bar plus C bar we are projecting on A bar. So we have to multiply by magnitude of A bar into projection of B bar plus C bar on A bar. And if you see the diagram, projection of B bar plus C bar on A bar is what? Length ON, which is equal to mod A bar into length ON. And if you see the diagram, length ON is what? Length ON plus length MN. Mod A bar into length OM plus length MN. Now all three are real numbers. In real number, we know multiplication is what? Distributive over addition. So this can be written as mod a bar into length OM plus mod a bar into length MN. And if you see the diagram, length OM is what? Projection of B bar on A bar. So mod A bar into length OM is what? Projection of B bar on A bar plus mod A bar into and if you see the diagram, length MN is what? Projection of C bar on A bar. Projection of C bar on A bar. Now what is actual projection of B bar on A bar by formula? It is A dot B upon mod A bar plus mod A bar into length Mn is what? Sorry, projection of C bar on A bar is what? A dot C upon mod A bar. Now this mod A bar will get cancelled. What is left? A dot B plus A dot C. We have started from A dot B plus C. B bar plus C bar is equal to A dot C, A dot B plus A dot C. The next theorem is what? Next theorem is what? Theorem 6. Prove that dot product of two unit vector is cosine of angle between them. See the proof. Let E1 bar and E2 bar be two unit vectors. Let theta be angle between them. Mod E1 bar is what? 1 and mod E2 bar is 1 because they are unit vectors. Their magnitudes are 1. Consider E1 bar dot E2 bar, which is what? Mod E1 bar mod E2 bar cos theta. Mod E1 bar is what? 1. Mod E2 bar is also 1. Will give you what? Cos theta. So therefore E1 bar dot E2 bar is what? This implies dot product of two unit vectors is cosine of angle between them. Now, based on this, if I bar, J bar, K bar I bar, J bar and K bar are unit vectors along x, y, z axis respectively. I bar, J bar and K bar are unit vectors along x, y, z axis respectively, then I bar dot I bar is equal to J bar dot J bar is equal to K bar dot K bar 1, and I bar dot J bar dot K bar dot I bar is 0. Method is same. You can use direct. Angle between I bar and I bar is what? 0 degree. So cosine 0 is what? 1. Whereas angle between I bar and J bar is what? 90 degree. Cosine of 90 is what? 0. Or you can use same method. See the proof. Consider I bar dot I bar mod I bar cos 0 degree 1 into cos 0 is also 1. Similarly, J dot J is 1 and K dot K is also 1. Consider I dot J mod I bar mod J bar cos 90 degree 1 into cos 90 is 0. 0. Similarly, J dot K is 0 and K dot I is also 0. Theorem number 8 is if A bar is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K and B bar is equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3K, then A bar dot B bar is what? A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. See the proof. Consider A bar dot B bar, A1I plus A2J plus A3K dot B bar is what? B1I plus B2J plus B3K. Now we'll take this as what? One single vector taken dot product is what? Sum of three vectors by distributive property. A1I plus A2J plus A3K dot B1I bar plus A1I plus A2J plus A3K dot B2J bar plus A1I plus A2J plus A3K dot B3K bar. Again, this is one single vector taken dot product of sum of three vectors. Again, we can apply distributive property. So that will give you A1I, A1, B1 will take outside, I dot I plus A2, B1, J dot I plus A3, B1, K dot I. K dot I plus again A1, B2, I dot J I dot J plus A2, B2, J dot J plus A3, B2, K dot J. Same way, A1, B3, I dot K plus A2, B3, K dot J, J dot K plus A3, B3, K dot K. And we know I dot I is what? 1. A1, B1 into 1, A2, B1 into 0, A3, B1 into 0, plus A1, B2 into 0, plus A2, B2 into 1, plus A2, B3 into 1, 0. A1, B3, 0, A2, B3, plus A3, B3 into 1 will give you A1, B1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, A2, B2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus A3 B3, which is same as A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So whenever we take dot product of two vectors, then I component gets multiplied plus j component plus k component. One note is there. Since a bar dot b bar is equal to mod a bar mod b bar cos theta. So what is cos theta? A dot b upon mod a bar into mod b bar. Note number 2. If angle between a bar and b bar is acute, then a bar dot b bar will be greater than 0. If angle between a bar and b bar is obtuse, then a bar dot b bar is what? Less than 0. And for right angle, you know a bar dot b bar is what? 0. 50. Okay. So we'll do now problems based on dot product. Question number 1. If the vertices A corresponds to 1, 2, 3, B corresponds to -1, 0, 0, and C corresponds to 0, 1, 2. B vertices of triangle ABC, then find angle BABC. Angle B is what? This is triangle. A, B, C. In vector, yet remember B is angle between BC bar and BA bar. Since B is angle between BA bar and BC bar, so cos B is what? BA bar dot BC bar upon mod BA bar into mod BC bar. Consider BA bar. A bar minus B bar. A is what? I plus 2j plus 3k. Minus B bar is what? Minus I bar. Will give you 2i plus 2j plus 3k bar. Find out BC bar. Consider BC bar. BC bar is what? C bar minus B bar. C bar is what? J plus 2k minus B bar is minus I. So I bar plus 2j j plus 2k. After finding BA and BC, we'll go to what? BA dot BC. Consider BA bar dot BC bar. BA bar is what? 2i plus 2j plus 3k dot I plus j plus 2k. Two into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. 2 plus 2 plus 6. 10. Then find out magnitude of BA bar. A square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. A root 4 plus 4 plus 9. Root 17. Then find magnitude of BC bar. Root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. 1 plus 1 plus 4. Root 6. Cos B is what? 10 upon root 17 into root 6. 10 upon root. So B is what? Cos inverse 10 upon 102. Say question number 2. If magnitude of A bar is equal to 3, magnitude of B bar is equal to 4, and angle between A bar and B bar is 120 degree. Find magnitude of 4A plus 3B. Result of algebra is also applicable in dot product. Consider magnitude of 4A plus 3B square is same as 16 times magnitude of A bar plus 2 into 4 A bar plus magnitude of 3B square. Sixteen into magnitude of A bar is what? 3. 2 for the 8th is a 24. A dot B plus 9 times 4 square. 16 times a 144 plus 24 into mod A bar mod B bar cos 120 degree plus this is also 144. 288 plus 24 into 3 into 4 and cos 120 is what? Minus half. 288 minus 144. 144. What is magnitude of 4A plus 3B? This is magnitude of vector. It can never be plus minus. It is always positive. The next example is question number 3. P is what? 1, 0, minus 1. Q is what? 2, 0, minus 3. R is minus 1, 2, 0. And S is three minus 2 minus 1. Find projection of PQ bar on RES bar. Projection of PQ bar on RES bar is equal to PQ bar dot RES bar upon mod PQ bar into mod RES bar. Consider PQ bar, Q bar minus P bar. Q bar is what? 2I minus 3K. Minus P bar is what? I minus K. So 2i minus I is what? I bar minus 3 plus minus 2k. RS is what? S bar minus R bar. S bar minus R bar. S bar is what? 3i minus 2j minus k. Minus R bar is what? Minus I plus 2j. 3i plus I, 4i. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4j. Minus k. Now we'll find out PQ bar dot RS bar. On RS bar, sorry, extremely sorry, divide by only magnitude of RS. RS bar only. So consider PQ bar dot RS bar. PQ bar is what? I minus 2k dot 4i minus 4i minus 4j one into 4 plus 0 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 1. 4 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 6. Magnitude of RS bar is what? Root 16 plus 16 plus 1. Root 33. Therefore, projection of PQ bar on RS bar is equal to PQ dot RS upon mod RS bar. PQ dot RS is what? 6 upon root 33. The next problem is, if the vectors 3p plus q if the vectors 3p bar plus q bar, 3p plus q comma 5p minus 3q, 5p minus 3q and 2p plus q and 2p bar plus q bar and 4p minus 2q. 4p minus 2q are pairs of mutually perpendicular vectors, are pairs of mutually perpendicular vectors Then find the angle between vectors p bar and q bar. Find angle between p bar and q bar. Since 3p plus q and 5p minus 3q are perpendicular on each other, therefore their dot product will be 0. 5p minus is equal to 0. So 3 into 5, 15 mod p bar square plus 3 3 is 9 minus 9 minus 9 p dot q plus 5 q dot p and p dot q one and same minus 3 q dot q is what? Mod q bar square is 0. So 15 p square minus 4p dot q minus 3q square is equal to 0. Write this as equation number 1. Also, two p plus q and 4p minus 2q are perpendicular on each other. Therefore, 2p bar plus q bar dot 4p minus 2q is 0. 2 into 4, 8 mod p bar square two into 2 minus 4p dot q 4p dot q plus 4p dot q minus 2 mod q bar square. So 8p square minus 2 times this will get cancelled. Mod q square is what? Q square. So from here we can find q square. Q square is what? Same as 4p square. Write this as equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we get from 1 and 2 we get 15p² minus 4p.q minus 3 into 4. 3 into q square is what? 4p². Is equal to 0. 15 minus 12. 3p² is equal to 4p.q. So 3p² is equal to 4 mod p mod q cos, this is sine of angle between p bar and q bar. So 3p² is equal to 4p and q is nothing but 2p. Q is nothing but 2p cos angle between p bar and q bar. Reason from 2. So cos angle between p bar and q bar is what? This is 3p² minus upon 8p². 3 by 8. So angle between p bar and q bar is what? Cos inverse 3 upon 8. Further problems will do next time. Thank you very much. Today's quotation is difficult roads. When roads are very difficult means it is not proper, then believe that beautiful destination is awaiting to you. Okay? अगर रास्ते कठिन हैं तो मंजिल बहुत ही मनमोहक मिलने वाली है. इस बात पे आपको 100% यकीन रखना होगा. थैंक यू.